Hello everyone. So in the last class what we have already discussed how we can add and subtract the fractions. So let's move on to the next topic, which is multiplication of fractions. How we can do that. So first I will take two fractions. Till now we know how to write a fraction. Let's say 1 by 2 easy fractions, small numbers. We'll try. Multiply by, because multiply sign is important. Let's say 2 by 4. Ab how we are going to multiply? In plus, if we say 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, we were adding just the above numbers 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4 and denominator will be same as 2. But in case of multiplication, it doesn't happen like this. So let's see how it happens. 1 by 2, 1 multiplied by 2 is 2. Simple calculation, and multiplication will be happen in denominator also, which is not happening in addition or subtraction, but it will happen here. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. So this is our answer by multiplication of fractions. Let's take one more example. 3 by 1, 2 by 1. Numerator 3 multiplied by 2, 6. Denominator 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Now here it is a twist. Whenever the denominator will be 1, like in these two fractions, denominator is 1 and here also it is 1. So whenever the denominator is 1, we have to write the numerator in the answer only. We don't have to write the 6 by 1. We can only write 6. Okay? This will be the answer. But if we say 3 by 9 multiply by 5 by 1, here tell me what will the answer. Easy. 3 multiply by 5, 15, and 9 multiply by 1, 9. Here 1 is multiplied by 9, not the 1 itself. It is 1 1, then we can remove the 1, otherwise we have to write the 9. Same. Because whenever we multiply any number with the 1, answer will be that number only. A multiply by 1. This is a property of multiplication, remember. It will be A. A is any number, okay? A multiplied by 0, it will be 0. So if our fraction includes any 0 number, let's say 3 by 2 multiplied by 0 divided by 3. Whenever there is 1 0 or any number of fractions, let's say 1 by 9, big number also, let's say 5 by 100, end number of fractions. It can be end number of fractions. 100 fraction also. Whatever the fraction is. Answer will be 0. Got it? Answer will be 0. I hope it's clear. So this is all for today. Thank you and let me know if in doubt. This is the homework question you can practice. 2 by 3 multiply by 3 by 9. Let me know the answer.